All right, guys. Football memorabilia break number 88. Box break. 1, 2, 3. Top box. 4, 5, 6 on the bottom. That is number 1. It's Pokemon dice. Hang on. That's number 1 on Pokemon. Box we'll be breaking is 260. Next break for football will be 102. All right, 260. Good luck, everybody. All right, let's get some base. And we got a nice 8x10 auto. Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. Fanatic certified. They always get the best signatures on their athletes. I don't know. Like, they must be like, all right, seriously, take your time. You're not allowed to go fast with your autographs. Best photography and always get the best, cleanest autos. It's almost to where it doesn't even look real sometimes. But it is. Hope Fanatics goes public on the stock exchange. That would be awesome. I think they will at some point. I thought this team didn't have hits anymore. All right, we got Frank Clark mini helmet autograph with the Chiefs. Frankie Clark with the Chiefs. I thought this team was out of hits. All right, I'm starting to get baffled. Just a joke. Is that sarcasm that I do detect? And next up, we got an Austin Eckler jersey for the Chargers. Beckett, certified by Beckett. Nice Chargers jersey there. Going out to the Chargers. Let's see who these items belong to. Let's check it out. All right, Chargers, Bronx, Chiefs. Let's look up the owners of these teams. All right, starting out with Kansas City. Let's get this out of the way. All right, KC. Third down. Chiefs. I put fourth down. That doesn't help. And that is Johnny Tack. He had him in both 88 and 89. There you go, J-Tack. And let's see who's got the Bronx. Broncos is that is Shanae. Shanae with the Broncos. There you go, Shannon. And we got Chargers. Chargers belongs to Milkman has them in 89. And this is 88. This is 88, right, boys and girls? Yes, it is. So let me double check. Milkman, 88, 88, Dolph, 88, GB, 49ers, 88, Chargers, 89. That is going to Kenny, man. Milkman just missed it. All right, guys, that is it for 88.